She believed she was in charge until you disappeared. In this video, I'll explain what occurs when a woman understands you are really gone and how it alters everything. She never doubted the comfort your presence brought her. You were always there, offering your attention and support. It wasn't just something she enjoyed, it was something she depended on. But therein lay the issue. She became too comfortable. She took for granted that you would always be a constant in her life. The moment she believed that, something risky occurred. She lost the urgency to appreciate you. Then she began to test you, not out of spite or even awareness, but to see if you would pursue her. Would you affirm her belief? The instant you did, the dynamic changed. She realized she had you secured. And when a woman knows you're invested, your worth in her eyes diminishes. However, when you stop pursuing her, everything changes. Your silence transforms into a void that tugs at her, compelling her to confront an unexpected truth. You were never a certainty. You were a choice. And now, that choice is out of her hands. For the first time, she finds herself without control, and for the first time, she understands she may have lost you for good. 2. The emotional emptiness strikes harder than anticipated. Initially, she feels nothing at all. No anxiety, no remorse, just a quiet assurance that you'll return, that you'll falter first. Some women even put on a facade, smiling, laughing, sharing photos as if nothing has changed, as if you were never significant. But don't be fooled. She senses the shift. She fills the silence with distractions, endless scrolling, nights out, immersing herself in work. She does everything to convince herself and others that she's perfectly fine. But here's the reality. Nothing can replace you. Nothing can occupy the void you left. Men and women cope with loss in different ways. A man analyzes it, what went wrong, what he could have changed. A woman, she experiences it first, the emptiness before comprehension. And that emptiness, it doesn't overwhelm her all at once. It creeps up on her. A song plays, the one you both cherished. She passes a spot where you shared laughter. She scrolls through her phone and there it is, your name, your words, a memory captured in time. And suddenly, an unwelcome thought intrudes. Did I make a mistake? The certainty she once held vanished. The security she felt crumbled. Now doubt seeps in, regret whispers, curiosity lingers, and that's a perilous place for her, because now she realizes something frightening. She had something genuine, something unique, and she let it slip away. 3. When she realizes you've moved on. This is the pivotal moment. Initially, she feels assured. She anticipated that you would reach out. She believed you would pursue her. She thought you would fight to win her back. But instead, you did nothing. No calls, no texts, no final words. You simply disappeared. At first, she tells herself it's just a strategy, that you're playing a game. Eventually, you'll give in and come back. But then, time goes by. Too much time, and suddenly she sees it. You're not checking in on her. You're not liking her posts. You're not engaging with her stories. You're just absent. That's when the realization strikes her. She begins to question everything. Did I misjudge him? Was he actually better than I thought? Is he moving on with someone else? And those thoughts, they don't fade away, they intensify, because now it's not just about missing you, it's about losing you to someone else. And that's when regret turns into obsession. 4. The fear of replacement. Few things unsettle a woman more than the idea of being replaced. It's not just about losing you, it's about losing her significance in your life. Initially, she might have been okay with the situation, convincing herself that you would return or that you still thought of her. But then something changes. Perhaps a friend casually mentions how well you're doing without her, or she stumbles upon a photo of you, laughing and enjoying life with someone new. Or worse, she comes to the painful realization that you've completely moved on. Suddenly, the dynamics shift. She becomes the observer, checking your social media, replaying past conversations, clinging to the memories of when you were together, and now you're no longer hers. The reality is, this fear goes beyond jealousy. It's about her ego. She doesn't just want you back. She needs to feel she still holds influence over you. So, what does she do? She tests the waters with a casual like on your post, a spontaneous message, or a feeble attempt to reconnect. In that moment, you possess all the control. The decision is yours. Re-engage or continue on your path. 5. The strength of indifference. This is the turning point, not for her, but for you. By the time she recognizes your value, you've already moved on. You no longer seek her approval, you don't yearn for her attention, and you definitely don't feel the need to return. A transformation has occurred within you. You're not preoccupied with whether she's thinking of you. You're not monitoring her online presence. You're not waiting for any kind of resolution. You're too engaged in your own life. Ironically, that's when she desires you the most. Deep down, she understands she had something exceptional. She allowed it to slip away. And now, she must live with that decision. 6. The silent shock, when reality strikes her. Initially, she dismisses it. Your silence is just a phase. He's probably busy. He'll return. She reassures herself it's temporary. But then, days turn into weeks. A change occurs. Your absence transforms from a game to a harsh reality. This is the silent shock. The moment she understands, you're not merely stepping back, you're truly gone. Questions begin to overwhelm her. Did I drive him away? Did I take him for granted? Did I make a mistake? She attempts to ignore it. She fills her time with friends, engages in trivial chats, perhaps even dives into something new. Yet, something feels amiss. The laughter lacks its usual joy. The conversations ring hollow. No one, absolutely no one, makes her feel the way you did. Then comes a harsh truth. It wasn't just you who left. It was the part of her that thrived in your presence. Now she's left with an inescapable burden, regret. Her typical coping strategies, ineffective. Other men, unmemorable. She insists she made the right decision, but a nagging voice inside her whispers, "What if I was wrong?" That doubt, it intensifies with each passing day without a word from you. 7. She observes you from afar. Initially, she battles her feelings. She resists the temptation. She convinces herself that she doesn't care, that checking your social media is beneath her, that she has moved on. But then, the quiet lingers. Too long. And curiosity. Curiosity always prevails. She begins to scroll, casually at first, or so she believes. Deep down, she's searching. Does he still think of me? Is he still available? Or has he truly moved on? The more she fails to find the answers she seeks, the more uneasy she becomes. Now, she scrutinizes everything. Your posts, your photos, the comments, the people you engage with. Every little detail counts. Then comes the tipping point. She spots another woman. Perhaps it's just a tag, a fleeting moment, a suggestion of something she wasn't ready for. Panic washes over her. Did he find someone better? Does he even remember me? What if he's moved on to someone superior? And that's the hardest part. She feels powerless. She's observing from the sidelines, unable to reach out. She doesn't want to appear desperate, so she waits, hoping, wishing that somehow you'll notice her. But when you remain silent, when you keep progressing without her, that's when things take a darker turn. 9. The late-night realization. She won't confess it, not to you, nor to herself, yet she senses it, not in the daylight when distractions abound, not when she's out, laughing with friends, pretending everything is fine, but at night, when the world settles down, when the noise diminishes, when it's just her and her thoughts, that's when it strikes the hardest. She attempts to resist it. She reassures herself that she's happy, that she's moved on, that she doesn't care. But deep inside, She knows the truth because now she's lying on the ceiling, overwhelmed by memories she can't escape. The way you used to laugh together, the way you understood her without words, the way she felt in your presence, a feeling no one else has given her since, and the most painful realization, she can't just reach out like she used to. Her pride holds her back. After all, she's the one who let you go, and even worse. If she does reach out, she risks being turned away. But the silence, it's unbearable. So what does she do? She starts dropping hints. A late-night "I miss you" message, a random reaction to an old post, a flimsy excuse to spark a conversation, because at this point, she just wants to know one thing. Do you still care? And when she doesn't receive the response she hoped for, that's when she truly feels the full weight of her loss. 10. When she wants you back, it's often too late. By the time she understands what she lost, you've already moved on. That's when the real change occurs. She may reach out with a casual text or a flimsy reason to reconnect, but let's be honest, it's not about reconciliation. Her intention isn't to mend things. She's simply checking if she still holds any power over you. When she discovers that she doesn't, the regret becomes overwhelming. By then, you've recognized your own value and found something better. The true shift in power is that you no longer seek her approval. You've created a life independent of her, and that drives her wild. Ultimately, the most powerful realization is that while she may miss you, you don't need her anymore. 11. She attempts to fill the gap, but nothing works. When a woman loses someone important, her initial reaction isn't to confront the pain, it's to flee from it. She avoids the discomfort of missing you and struggles to acknowledge her mistakes. Instead, she seeks distractions, more nights out, increased social media activity, more trivial conversations, perhaps even a rebound, anything to convince herself she's moving forward. But here's the issue. None of it is effective. The void she experiences isn't solely about losing a person, it's about losing you. The comfort, the safety, the bond. No one brings her joy like you did. No one understands her the way you did. Conversations now feel forced and superficial, nothing like what she shared with you. The more she attempts to substitute you, the more painfully clear it becomes. You weren't just anyone. You were irreplaceable. That's when frustration kicks in. Why can't she simply move on? Why isn't this as straightforward as she imagined? She was convinced she could let go without a second thought. Yet here she is, still preoccupied with thoughts of you. And that realization, it gnaws at her. 12. Regret evolves into obsession. Initially, it was merely regret, a fleeting thought, a brief memory, but now it has transformed into something much more profound. Now, it's obsession. She's not just missing you anymore, she's entirely consumed by thoughts of you. Old memories replay incessantly in her mind. She dissects every conversation, every moment, every little detail. She begins to romanticize what you once shared, rewriting the past and ignoring the reasons for your separation. The most troubling part, she feels powerless to stop it. It sneaks up on her when she least expects it. She could be out with friends, enjoying herself, but then a song plays. She could be scrolling through her phone, and suddenly an old photo of the two of you pops up. She could be on a date, smiling and pretending to be engaged. But when her date says something in that moment, she longs for you. The harder she tries to push these thoughts away, the more intense they become, because now you occupy her thoughts, and she's at a loss for how to stop thinking about you. When a woman begins to obsess over a man she thought she had moved on from, she starts behaving in ways that even she struggles to comprehend. 13. She finds a way to reconnect. At this stage, she longs for a connection with you. However, there's a hurdle, her pride. She can't simply reach out to you out of the blue. Admitting she misses you would mean giving in. So instead, she concocts a reason. Perhaps she suddenly recalls something she needs from you. Maybe she sends a random message about an unrelated topic. Or she might like an old post, hoping it prompts you to contact her first. But don't be fooled. This is a test. She wants to gauge your feelings. Do you still care? Will you still respond? Does she still hold influence over you? If you reply quickly and engage in her casual conversation as if nothing happened, she feels victorious. But if you remain indifferent, with brief, cold, or no responses at all, that's when anxiety kicks in. She begins to feel an unexpected emotion, powerlessness. The more she realizes you're no longer participating in her game, the more frantic she becomes to reclaim control. 14. The emotional collapse. When it finally strikes her. This is the breakdown, the instant her mind turns against her. For weeks, perhaps even months, she's been in denial, telling herself she's okay, convincing herself she's moved forward, repeating the same falsehood, he'll return. But then it strikes, and this time there's no way to avoid it, because you're not reaching out, you're not pursuing, you're not checking in, you're gone. That's when the floodgates open. It might begin with a vacant gaze at the ceiling. Perhaps it's an overwhelming surge of emotions she can't contain. Then the tears flow. Not merely sadness, not just regret, a profound, aching emptiness. Because this isn't solely about losing a person, it's about losing a presence, the comfort of knowing someone was always there, the safety of having someone who truly understood her. And the hardest part? She allowed it to slip away. She believed she had everything under control, but now she's left with nothing but memories, and the agony of realizing she can never reclaim it. That's the true heartbreak. If this resonates with you, like the video and subscribe. And if you're curious about what happens next when you fully move on, watch the video on your screen right now.